Whew. Howdy folks. A rare winter episode here. We are extracting some canola. These big bags we had set up. Seems to be going well. Jeff and Randy were doing this yesterday, got a couple loads out. Hey bud. Looks not bad, yeah.
Oh, can you control the speed of this roller right here? Again, you can shut it off, and then it happens. And then you kind of got to match the PTO speed, but I don't think you're doing that. It's like you're going to flush.
Kind of like feeling it slowly just chews its way back.
There's like normally it's a little more even, but it gives good luck. Just sort of, when we put it in, this one is sort of.
Like we didn't have the most even bag, right?
Yeah,
like when we loaded it.
This one's pretty straight. That one's. Not only.
This bag has been a little attacked by the wildlife. Deer, birds, coyotes getting after it. This is middle of February, end of February. Here's our canola. Overfilled her a bit. Whoops. Yeah, it's nearing the end of February. This is a nice snowstorm we're getting because we really haven't had a whole lot of snow all winter. And the little we have has been melting. This winter's been all over the place. Plus 5 degrees Celsius yesterday. Today it's -5, starting to snow, and it's supposed to get down to -20 overnight. So El Nino, La Nina, whatever winter this is all over the place. Look. Yeah, she's full.
Well, yesterday we didn't really have it up much, like turned up, and we are.
Oh yeah.
So I was like, let's open it up, and then there you go.
So it flows pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, easy peasy though. And that's probably going to be it for the winter episode. Oh God. Brakes off, yes. Just a little slick. Oh, canola is just leaking. Just a little bit. So yes, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, we'll see you in the spring.